Don't know if you can see this, but these are my favorite hits to fill. We call them bottle breaks. Kind of looks like a U or a moon. But here we go. A little bit of pressure in there. You see the chemicals go. Fill right through it. Now these don't completely disappear, but hell, it'll save you a lot of money on the windshield replacement. Make them look a lot better. See, it's almost filled now. Pull some vacuum out of it. Get that air out of there. Let it sit for a bit. There's a different way of prepping these too. You got to drill and pop right in the center. But I didn't film that part. So let's see if we can get this to fill. Let it sit for a little while. You always got to keep it covered. Ultraviolet rays will cure the chemical before it's ready. And then pause and let it sit and let it fill. Okay, well, I let it sit for a couple minutes. It's pretty much filled. Now I'm just gonna uncover it. Let the chemical cure. Alright, I'll be back when it's all done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just cap this off. Get my O-ring out of there. Clean off the excess chemical. Just let it sit. Alright, now I'm just going to clean this off. And that's what is left. Like I said, these are my favorite ones to work on. Kind of challenging to see how good they're going to come out. This one came out really well. I don't know why some other companies get scared and don't do those, but give us a call. We'll take care of it. 512-219-8727. Star Windshield Repair. Thanks and have a good weekend.